So a short update about the Engwe T14 bike. I actually deassembled the back part of it, and now I don't know if you guys can see the sieve. Okay, there we go. You can see this part was being very floppy, so now I'm trying to see what are these cables for actually, because some of them are unplugged, and then I wanna see if I can try to make it more durable, because like this it was just, and then this thing is not staying in place. So yeah, and then I have some light to put on. I put some foam like this, and then I try to make everything look great. Actually disappointed that this part it's not covered by anything, like you can see in the bike. This other part is like the cushion was just on the top, so yeah, there was nothing to protect the cable, nothing to protect this little central, and without the foam it was just like bouncing around, you know. But now you see it's a little bit more stable. It still moves a little bit, but I think yeah, if I just need to add some other foam or something else, and then I decide to add this light, and I'm gonna turn off flash so you guys can see. It's one in the back and one in the front, so it's actually quite right. Now I'm gonna try to go outside, see what it looks like. So guys, this is what it looks like in the dark. You can see there is a light in the front, and then I put these two blankets in the back, and actually I think those two are pretty good because they don't get too much in the way. I don't know if I should add something else.